Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. Now in this project we are going to design this mango. Let's see how we can design this juicy orange mango. So let's come to our this document where we have previously designed this red ball, remember? So for this, select the pen tool, draw a point. Let's come here. Using the Alt key, let's reduce the size of this handle. And now let's complete our mango. Yeah, it's a perfect mango, isn't it? Now, well, it's not crossed. It should be. Let's select the direct selection tool, select this anchor point. Let's zoom in to work more efficiently. And let's drag this anchor point and let's close our path. Now let's zoom out. Now select using the selection tool and let's change its color to this orange and let's bring it here just like this. And now using the gradient mesh tool, we are going to have 4 horizontal points and 3 vertical points. So 1, 2, 3. These 3 are fine, and at the bottom here. Okay. Now select this point using the direct selection tool. Let's make its color white. That's the shiny effect. Let's select this anchor point and let's change its color to white again, not purely white. See its color code EFEAE6 or EEE, something like that. Okay, let's come here. Let's add another shiny effect. I mean another shiny side, you can say. Okay, so now it's looking kind of okay, right? Now we need to add few dark colors. So for that, select this point. Let's make it a bit more darker. Select this anchor point, make it darker. This point, make it a bit more darker. Select this point. Yup. Now select this point, little bit darker. This one, not that much darker, but little bit. Now select this point. Let's make it this color. Yeah, see? Okay. So how is this mango? How is this mango? Let's zoom out and just check it out. You can even add more colors if you wish. Just like this. Nope, I think this one is not looking that nice. Yeah. So try to experiment. Yeah. See? Here also let's provide a little shiny glow. Even let's try to make it darker. Let's see. Yeah. So that's it, guys. How is this mango looking? Now, using the selection tool and our bounding box, let's reduce this mango size to fit our ball. And you can draw some leaves if you want. For drawing leaf, you can use the pen tool. Let me close this appearance window, this gradient window. We don't need these. Yup, there is the layers window, right? So let's draw a leaf. Generally, mango leaves are bigger. Make its color this one. Now arrange send to back. Not fully back, but just bring it above this rectangle, and there you go. Now this one, let's have a black stroke. Yup. Now using alt drag technique, let's just create a duplicate of this and let's rotate it a little bit. There you go. And it will have a black stroke. There you go. This one is also having a black stroke, right? Yeah. Okay, guys. Now, if you want, using the brush tool, you can add some strokes, or using the line tool, you can add a line to it. I mean, you can draw that. I don't know what is that called. See? Just like this. Just like this. You can draw some leaf lines. After you are done, see? Okay, let's. This is the one, right? From here, draw a line, one line, another line, another line. Simply draw a few lines. You can also zoom in to work more efficiently. See, when you zoom in, you can draw more cool lines. And also you can see that where you have done some mistakes. I mean, if you have done any mistake. That's it. There you go. So let's zoom out. So that's it, guys. I know these leaves are looking artificial, but what about this mango? Now you can also change the leaf using effect warp. See, you can bend it if you wish. So I'm thinking to undo it. Yep, okay. So that's it, guys. Here is our juicy mango, a gift to all of you. You can have it and you can tell me that how it tastes. Okay, jokes apart, I think that you have really enjoyed this lecture, and now you have already got the idea of how you can create these kind of shiny effects, these kind of 3D looking objects in Illustrator, and how mesh tool helps in creating these kind of objects, right? So just let me know that how you have enjoyed this section, and even if you have any suggestion, uh, you can freely share it with me. So that's it, guys. Here we have covered 5 projects. I think you have really enjoyed it, and also you have learned how we can design these kind of cool stuffs. So that's it, guys. See you in the next section. Till then, have fun, take care.